In this video, we are diving into a hot topic that a lot of travelers overlook: travel insurance. The question is it really worth it? Join us as we break it down and help you make the best decision for your next adventure. Welcome to Travel Tips and Recommendations with Nikki and Tommie.
Nikki and I are proud retired Army veterans who decided to turn in our duffel bags for smooth rolling suitcases. Now we are certified travel advisors and owners of our own travel agency named Jones Getaways by Dream Vacations.
Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest tips to level up your trips.
Welcome back.
Thank you. I'm glad to be back.
You see who's back?
Yeah, you held it down for those 2 weeks. I'm glad to be back.
I held on.
While I was in the motherland.
Yeah,
we'll talk about that later.
You ready?
Yep. Let's go.
Let's go. It's surprising how many travelers don't even consider travel insurance. Now, I know there's a few reasons, but one of them being because they think it's unnecessary and just adds more money to the expense. But what happens when things don't go as planned? That's what we will get you thinking about today. Travel insurance could save your trip and put money back into your wallet.
We have a lot of new clients that initially choose to skip travel insurance because they don't think they'll need it, saying things mostly like, I've never had an issue before, or I'm already spending a lot of money and why would I need to add another expense? Yeah. But here's the truth with it. Things happen. Murphy's Law. And when they do happen, the last thing you want is to lose a large amount of money by spending an extra small amount.
All right, picture this. You're on a dream vacation to Europe, and suddenly you start to feel sick. And it's more than meds. Now you have to see a doctor. Without travel insurance, you're looking at thousands of dollars in medical bills. With travel insurance, you're most likely covered because you can select what coverage you want, what coverage plan you want.
Or maybe you're heading on a luxury cruise and a hurricane changes your plans. Yeah. We've seen that happen recently. You have no travel insurance, that's money down the drain. But with travel insurance, you either get refunds, rebooking options, or future travel credits. So we've seen this happen before with some of our own clients. We had clients that they had flight delays and because strikes were going on, and there was a group of 8 clients. They were scheduled to fly the night prior to sailing on a cruise. Couldn't get them any flights, so the only thing they could do was drive from Virginia to Orlando. And a 13-hour trip, with 2 vehicles, you got food, you got gas, you got all of that you need to pay for, and hopes to get reimbursed. And the great thing is that they had travel insurance. So once the trip was done, they were able to submit their claims and to get their money back because they had the travel insurance. Yeah. Now, not every trip needs travel insurance, but it definitely is essential.
Yeah, especially for, cruises, for
international travel.
Absolutely. Let me give you an example, right? If you're planning a destination wedding, we'll say to Cabo, or like a big family getaway to Italy, you have to get travel insurance for that because that's a huge investment.
Yeah, you want to protect it.
Yeah, or maybe you're going on a solo trip and you're worried about flights getting canceled or whatever. That's stuff you have to do. Mm-hmm. Trust us. Insurance gives you peace of mind. I know that sounds like a commercial, but I'm telling you, it makes it less hectic.
Yeah. So let's quickly go over some of the pros and cons about adding travel insurance.
Okay.
The pros.
Yeah.
Financial protection, peace of mind, coverage for medical emergencies, any cancellations, lost luggage, and much more.
Okay, that's 5. Now I'm gonna give you the cons, and I'm gonna be really detailed about this. It's an extra expense. But the thing is to go back to the commercial. It gives you peace of mind.
No amount of money can pay for that.
The small cost of travel insurance far outweighs the risk of losing out on the entire trip.
Yeah. To those of you who have not considered travel insurance before, it's not the most exciting thing, when you're planning a trip, but it's much more like wearing a seatbelt. You hope you never need it, but if you are in a situation and you definitely would be glad that you were buckled in.
And look, I hope this challenges you to consider travel insurance the next time and ask this question: can you afford to lose money investing in something and then something goes wrong? If the answer is yes, then don't worry about it. If the answer is no, then travel insurance is something you should consider.
Yeah. So have you ever had a trip where travel insurance saved the day? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and recommendations with Nikki and Tommie.
And that, good people, was just an effort to get travel insurance out there because it's so beneficial to the client, and it can save you money overall in the end.
Leave a comment, please. We do read them and respond.
All right. We'll see you next time.
All right. Bye.
Bye.